Ever wondered what it takes to have the chess title? Well, we have to start off with the lowest rank of all FIDE titles, the Woman Candidate Master. To achieve this title, you need to have played at least 30 games in FIDE rated tournaments and have a minimum rating of 2000 ELO. Once you meet these qualifications, you're eligible to become a Woman Candidate Master. It's often seen as the first big step in a woman's chess career. A level up from the Woman Candidate Master is the Woman FIDE Master title. Their requirements are similar to the Woman Candidate Master, but their rating benchmark is higher. You need a FIDE rating of at least 2100 to qualify for this title, unlike the higher ranking titles such as Woman International Master and Woman Grandmaster. The Woman FIDE Master doesn't require norms, just a rating milestone. For many, it's a stepping stone toward the more prestigious titles in women's chess. Moving up, we have the Woman International Master title. This is where things start to get more competitive. To become a Woman International Master, you need a FIDE rating of at least 2200 ELO and must achieve 3 Women International Master norms. These norms involve competing in high-level tournaments with specific requirements such as facing titled opponents and maintaining a strong performance. The Women International Master title is often pursued by players who are well on their way to mastering the game. Finally, we have the pinnacle of women's chess titles, the Woman Grandmaster. This is the highest title available exclusively to women, signifying a remarkable level of skill and mastery. To earn this title, you need a FIDE rating of 2400 and 3 Woman Grandmaster norms, achieved by performing exceptionally well in top-level tournaments.